Okay. Slowly.
We invite you to make a circle again.
Yeah.
Okay. So come back to our.
Moje życie to miejsce spotkań.
Przestrzeń, spokój, cisza, bezpieczeństwo, zaufanie, akceptacja, wiara w to, że przyszłość będzie łagodna.
Tug, Spaß, we im Behefe.
Suffocare, descatuciare.
Facilitare è un'occasione di apprendimento incredibile.
Enda esikohale seadmine ei ole isekas.
Wybrać siebie.
Przezroczyste ściany.
Spokojna atmosfera, bez pośpiechu, bez tłoku.
Kiedy wszystkie kobiety na świecie usiądą w kręgu, wtedy zapanuje pokój.
Tá na limiter cománta a rántear oscailta agus fáilte.
My life is their meeting place.
To be here in the time and in this place, not to rush, to accept who you are, to be happy, to be yourself, to hope for the future that will be gentle, not to listen to other people's expectations.
Take up space, be visible.
Common courtyard areas which are shared are open and welcoming with plenty of benches to sit on to give you time to sit back and enjoy the space you're in.
Suffocate and unleash.
Facilitating is an incredible learning experience.
It's not selfish to put yourself first. What is przezroczysty?
Transparent?
No.
Invisibility?
Invisibility was, yes.
Choosing yourself.
When all women of the world sit in the circle, our world will change and peace will come.
Calm atmosphere, no rush, no crowds.
Slowly. We invite you to make a circle again.
Yeah.
Okay. So come back to our.